You are 40 years old, you are 40 years old, you are 40 years old today. You are 40 years old, you are 40 years old, you are 40 years old today. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Eric! My favorite memory is when we used to live in Albarcia, and every time we went swimming and I couldn't swim, I would hang onto your back and you would dive until the end of the pool.
And Easter.
And Easter when we used to run in the hallway and you would push me so you could find the eggs before me. And I would just scream cheater. Haha!
Yeah, I'll try to chip in. The most memorable times I had with Eric was whenever he would cook food for me, my bulanglang and galunggong. Thank you so much, brother, for always being there for us.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy
birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, bro!
Happy birthday, Eric!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya! Happy birthday, Kuya Eric! Ang unforgettable moment ko with you is nung college ko. Remember nung naiwan ako sa field trip? Papunta kami ng Clark, Subic. Tapos, galing ka nung kakauwi mo lang from barko. Naglilinis ka nun sa tubigan, then sabi ko sa'yo, kuya, hatid mo ako sa school kasi meron kaming field trip going to Subic. Tapos sabi mo, anong oras na? Late ka na, hindi ka naabot doon. Sabi ko, please naman kuya, hatid mo ko kahit sa school lang. Inaantay ako ng mga classmates and teachers ko. Tapos sabi mo, sige, sakay sa sasakyan. Tapos sinatid mo na ako, nandun na tayo sa Lasal. Wala na yung bus. So, sabi ko sa'yo, kuya, iwan mo ko. Kasi pagagalitan ako sa bahay. Tapos sabi mo, hindi, uwi tayo. Sabi mo ganun. Tapos sabi ko, hindi kuya, papatayin ako ni mama at papa kung uuwi ako. Tapos sabi mo naman, Joy, hindi ka mamamatay basta magbago ka lang. Diba? Ayun yung unforgettable moment ko with you. Thank you for always being there. For me, I love you so much, bro. Happy birthday! Happy 40th! Wishing you all the best and good health. I love you.
Kuya Eric, happy birthday! Enjoy the day. Sana good health. At alam kong good health ka na naman. At batak na batak pa rin sa pagbabike. Una kaming nagkita ni Kuya Eric nung nagbakasin ako sa Dubai from Bahrain. So nilatagan agad ako ng isang tequila at inubos naming dalawa. So, yun. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happiest birthday to my very handsome, cool, ano pa masabihin ko?
Happy birthday, kuya. To a very handsome, cool, tall, fit.
Yes. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Sa muna na-meet si kuya.
Una ko na-meet si Kuya. Hindi pa ako pinapanganak pero alam kong magkakaroon ako ng the best kuya in the world.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya. I love you.
Hi Kuya, happy 48th birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day today. Kahit may work ka, sa Sabado na lang tayo babarek. And more rides to come. And sana isama muna ako sa mga long rides nyo. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Idol sa lahat.
Hi guys, kumusta? Well, si Kuya Eric, na-meet namin siya, I think, sa BAFTA, right? And nakainuman, and naging start na ng good friendship. And, ayun. Ayun, si Kuya Eric, napakamabuting tao niyan, maasahan siya, galing mag-basketball. So, wish ko sana sa'yo, Kuya, is good health, and for you and your family. And sana lagi kayong okay dyan. And happy birthday. Yung kasama ko naman, hindi kasi naimik eh.
Kuya, happy birthday! Thank you for being a kuya to us. Saka, salamat at lagi mo kaming pinagluluto. Thank you sa mga inihaw.
Ayun.
We missed you.
We miss you, Kuya. And soon, sana makita ulit tayo at makainom na.
Bakasyon kayo dito.
Bye-bye.
Kuya, happy birthday. Shot na. Siyempre si Kuya, nakilala ko yan. E di, sa pag-iinom din, ingat palagi Kuya, enjoy.
Happy birthday Kuya Eric. Wish you all the best and more rides to come. Sana dumami pa mga bisikleta mo para mabigay mo sa akin yung isa. Hindi ko maalala kung kaninong birthday tayo nagkakilala. Basta tanda ako birthday yon. Kaya, yun lang. Happy birthday. Ingat. See you. Tagay na.
Hello, Kuya Eric! Happy 40th birthday! Diyos ko, oo, tama. Kung ano man. Tawag dito, masaya ako kasi nakilala kita. Ganyan. Masaya kami kasi meron kaming kuya dito sa Dubai. Thank you very much for everything. We know at alam ko personally na every time na kailangan ka namin, kailangan kita, lagi kang nandyan together with Ate Bebs. Well, I just wanted to say thank you for everything, okay? And also, I would like to tell you that I'm always here for you and here for your family, okay? Happy birthday, matanda ka na, pero fresh pa din, di ba? Love you, mwah!
You are 40 years old, you are 40 years old, you are 40 years old today. You are 40 years old, you are 40 years old, you are 40 years old today. Happy birthday!